Hi, I'm Chip. If your dryer comes on but doesn't get hot, try this before you call in your repairman. So your dryer's not getting hot. Now there's a couple of things that you can do before you call the repairman. First thing you do, you go to your breaker panel and you look at the circuit breakers that supply power to your dryer. A lot of people don't realize that a 240 volt dryer can run when one of those breakers has tripped. So go and recycle those circuit breakers for your dryer and see if that fixes the problem. Another thing, you can go behind the dryer and unplug it. Now if you see this, you need to call an electrician. First thing you need to do is change that dryer cord. And that dryer cord probably did that because you have a defective receptacle. You need to get a qualified electrician or somebody who knows how to do this to change the receptacle on the wall.
I should also mention here that whether you have a 3-prong plug or a 4-prong plug, the flat prongs on the plugs are going to be the energized sides. And what you may try to do is spread the flat parts out so they make a better contact with your receptacle. If you can do that, that might fix your problem too.
Okay, if this fixed your problem, I just saved you some money, didn't I? So why don't you help me and push that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I can help other people with the same problem. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.